stock typically takes the form of shares of either common stock or preferred stock. As a unit of ownership, common stock typically carries voting rights that can be exercised in corporate decisions. Preferred stock differs from common stock in that it typically does not carry voting rights but is legally entitled to receive a certain level of dividend payments before any dividends can be issued to other shareholders. 3-4 needed convertible preferred stock is preferred stock that includes an option for the holder to convert the preferred shares into a fixed number of common shares, usually any time after a predetermined date. Shares of such stock are called convertible preferred shares or convertible preference shares in the UK. New equity issue may have specific legal clauses attached that differentiate them from previous issues of the issuer. Some shares of common stock may be issued without the typical voting rights, for instance, or some shares may have special rights unique to them and issued only to certain parties. Often, new issues that have not been registered with a securities governing body may be restricted from resale for certain periods of time. Preferred stock may be hybrid by having the qualities of bonds of fixed returns and common stock voting rights. They also have preference in the payment of dividends over common stock and also have been given preference at the time of liquidation over common stock. They have other features of accumulation in dividend. In addition, preferred stock usually comes with a letter designation at the end of the security. For example, Berkshire Hathaway Class B shares sell under stock ticker BRKB, whereas Class A shares of Orion DHC, Incorporated will sell under ticker OTO until the company drops the A, creating ticker OODH for its common shares only designation. This extra letter does not mean that any exclusive rights exist for the shareholders, but it does let investors know that the shares are considered for such. However, these rights or privileges may change based on the decisions made by the underlying company.